Hey, what's up guys? This is my first video and I'm new to the GM world. This is my 2022 and I am going to be plasti dipping the emblems and taking off the back, I believe. Shout out to Lone Star Hawaiian. That dude's bad. Ooh, from the islands too, bruh. So let me flip it around. It's a 2022 custom base model, nothing crazy. I did come from a 250 Super Duty, so this 2.7 is pretty legit. Cool. So stock rims on wheel skins, Goodyear, Wrangler, Ultra Terrains. Fucking love these, dude. They're awesome. I do want to do a ceramic coating. I did get it from the dealer. It had the window protection and the front end protection. I don't know what that consists of, but 33s, 2-inch Mammoth, ready level kit, level kit. It did come with the bed liner. Yeah. So yeah, let's get it. So there you have it. Taped it off real quick, nothing crazy, it's plasti dip. So just as long as I don't get a little, overspray. Took some alcohol, wiped it down just so it has a good bonding surface. Man, if you guys never use plasti dip, it's crazy, you can do a lot. I'm sure you have. For $4 or $5, your local auto shop or even Walmart, you can transform these. I mean, they are dope if you get the black ones, It's not necessarily the price issue, it's just patience. And I know you guys are with me on that. So yeah, let's get it. You have it. I'll do the other side. Easy peasy. 30 minutes to an hour.